Hi everyone and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill. So we have completed the module number 2, and in module number 2 we have discussed the 2D curve area clearance, 2D curve profile and chamfer milling, face milling and hole making operations. So now it's time to check your knowledge. To test your knowledge, I have few assignments for you. So look at your screen. So what you see over here is the block definitions. So you have to create a block with a length in x-axis 200 millimeters, y is 150 and z is 52 millimeter with 2 millimeter face up for face milling operation. So the next thing, your task is you need to face down using the face milling operation and face down 2 millimeter and make the hole size at 15 millimeters. You have to create a curve at the center of your workpiece with a dimension of 150 into 100 and 30 millimeter in depth, with corner radius at 4, which is radius 10 millimeters. So what you have to do is you have to create 2D area clearance inside this profile, which is mentioned with an arrow. Then what you have to do is you have to apply 2 millimeter chamfers at a 45-degree angle on this profile. And after clearing all these inside, you have to apply 2D profile clearance outside of this profile to remove that material. So this is your task.